right, welcome back to the class. Now we are going to be looking at how to create a student course selector. That's what we're trying to do. The student course selector, something like this is what we're trying to do. You can see the serial number, the student name, the courses. So the courses can be more, but we're just using this for as an example. And then the number of courses will be calculated. So if I pick 3 courses, you can see this is showing 2. If I pick 3, it will show 3. If I pick 4, it will show 4 courses. So we are going to see how this can be done. So let's go to the next worksheet. So the first thing I did was to create the serial number. So the serial number for the student, and then of course maybe 1 to 10 will be fine. Just for this practice, maybe 1 to 10 will be fine. Then the student name, and I'm just going to use something like this to represent name, just to represent names. Now, then we're now going to pick the courses. We're going to pick the courses. Now, so we call this. So let me get the course names again from here. So we have 4 courses name. So, and how did I do this? Let me remove the formatting so that we can have the original data. Yes. So these are the course names, and then this is the number of courses. Okay. So this is what we have: the student name, the courses, and then of course the number of courses. Let me expand the screen. So I selected these 4, and then went to alignment, then choose to rotate this up, and then that changes the direction upward. Then I reduce the size. Sorry, pick from the header and then reduce the size. Okay, so we have all the courses, the course name, and the courses organized in that format. Okay, then the student name and the serial number. So now this table has been created for this purpose. Okay, so this section, we'll select all these sections, and then we'll go to the insert tab and click on checkbox. So you'll find checkbox under the insert tab. So you click checkbox, and all the checkboxes will appear. The default value for checkbox is false. So if you click inside the checkbox, the value becomes true. Okay. So with that in our mind, we're now going to come to this place and put a count if function. The count if, we're going to use this as our range, and then we're going to use true as our criteria. So count if it is true. Whatever selection they made that is true, we're going to count if it is true. And then we're going to copy that formula downwards. Okay. And we are now going to be picking. So if we pick the courses, you see that the values are changing. So you can see this one selected 3 courses, this one selected 4, this one 2, this one 2, this one 3, this another 3, another 2, and then another 4. So you can see, so the rest is just the color that I've applied, formatting color here and there and so on. So this is how to create a simple course selector page for your students. So something like this is what I've replicated here. So your course, whatever it is, maybe just anything. It can be an office, it can be department, it can be according to names and group. Can be group that people belong to. It can be products, samples, and so on. Whatever it is that requires selection, and you want to be able to know the number of selection, then you will use this method to make selections and then, of course, be able to know the number. All right, so that's where we're going to stop on this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to get powerful and fantastic stuff like this. See you another time, and bye for now.